In the previous video, page navigation was done using the push function. Passing data using constructor was also learned. What we do in this video is navigate with named route. We are using the same screen that was used in the previous video. This is part of the name text field. This is age text field. Next button. Create two text edit controller for keep text field value. It can be included in the text fields. Create a page to display the past data. Display page. Import material. Create a stateless widget. Add a scaffold. App bar. Title. Include a column. Create two text widget. For displaying past values. Created a back button. Open main Dart. Root value is creating in here. Context. Give any name. Display page. First import that page. Then write the function. In button press. Navigator. Of. Context. Type is build context. Parameter name ctx. Push named. In the last video we used push function. Use the name that created in roots. Pass the arguments. This method is used to pass data when using roots. Name, controller name.text. Same with age field. Then call the function on button press. Context parameter. Let's see how to extract and display the past value. Create a variable. Final root args. Modal root. Of. Context. Dot. Settings. Sometimes null is there, so question mark is used. Dot. Arguments. It is map. Type is string. Each value can now be taken separately. First name. Root args. Key name. Then age. Now name and age variables can be displayed in text. Give a style. For making it bold. Just call a pop function to make the back button. Then run the app.